Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find Facebook friends on Instagram. So if you want to find your Facebook friends on your Instagram account, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application now you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right. And after tapping on the three bar icon, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on account center. After tapping on Account Center, you have to tap on your information and permissions. And after tapping on that, now you have to tap on the last option, Upload Contacts. After tapping on Upload Contact, you can find your Facebook as the first option. You just have to tap on that. So after tapping on that first option, now it will ask you Continuous Contact Upload. So what it basically means is if you want to add your Facebook contact friends to your Instagram account. So if you want that, you just have to turn on this option. And after turning on this option, just tap on Get Started. And after doing that, you have to come back to your home page. And after coming back to your home page, just tap on the heart shape icon, which is on the top right corner of the screen. And now you have to scroll all the way down. You will find See All Suggestions. And inside See All Suggestions, if you search for a while, you might find your friends from your Facebook. So this is how to find Facebook friends on Instagram. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.